Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an exciting video as always. We're really getting on to the finer details now. We're going to touch up the front bumper, give that a nice paint, and we're going to fix the headliner because we're suffering from the classic XJ sag. So you can just jump in, I'll show you. So, I mean, actually it doesn't look that bad, but I mean it is kind of sagging, and this is like just kind of in the way, you know, you can't possibly drive like that. So we're gonna basically take that out and then like put that together and make it nice and taut. So yeah, stay tuned. So we're just taking off the bumper so we can sand it down, give it a good clean because it's covered in moss and mold. Yeah, just what you would expect for a car that's been sat outside for 5 years. So basically there was like 4 or 5 bolts, screws holding it on, and Ben is just undoing the last one, which is...
I don't know if it's stripping it off. We've undone all the screws, so now hopefully... Nice, look at that. It's red underneath for some reason.
The first bit of plastic we've taken off and not broken in the process, so we're doing well.
So comfortable with you. I feel like I'll always love you.
Archie's now just priming the other bits of plastic. It's almost dry. It's looking really good. Nothing like a good old tripod. Just in the second paint of black, so let's see how this goes. That looks fresh. What do you think, Sonny? Is that the new car? What do you think?
There's been a lot of content so far on this channel to do with Ben's Jeep Cherokee, and I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, Archie, what do you drive? Is it a Porsche? An Aston Martin maybe? Something Italian like a Ferrari? No, this is what I drive. This is a 2007 Volkswagen Polo. It's got a 1.2 litre petrol engine, and I know what you're thinking. That's got to be a delivery mileage example. I mean, just look at it. But you'd be wrong. This car has 121,000 miles on the clock. The only cosmetic damage this car has suffered is a scratch down here on this passenger side. And this was done because well, I was doing about 140 miles an hour coming up the road just there, and I was late on the brakes, turned into Ben's driveway, went to clip the apex, and a brick wall just came out of nowhere, and that's what happened. But I guess, you know, when you're pushing the limits, eventually you find them. I was thinking actually the other night, I really want to drive down to Portofino this summer. I just can't think of a better car to do it in.
Step uno is to take these off, the mirrors at the front. So I've got a Phillips head screwdriver here. I'm just gonna... We will lose all of these screws, so I don't even know if I'm going to bother looking after them.
Have you done this kind of thing before?
Oh, all the time. And then lastly, I think there's one more screw. It's quite simple electrics here, really. You've just got a wire, another thing. So I'm just gonna. Finito.
That was actually quite impressive.
Thanks. So the second step is to take these off. This plastic thing comes out like that, and then it gives access to the screw, so then you can that be pulled off. So we'll quickly do that on both sides, and I'll unscrew that now. Cool. Right, so we've taken all of the side handles off. You can see there was 4 in total. So now we've got to take the speakers out. Apparently they're just clipped in, so I'm going to just try and... I got it worked. So that unclips.
And then there should be a couple of screws under there.
Yeah, let's just get this lost. So that's out. Let's keep that over there. And then where's that other screwdriver?
So when you take the cover off the speakers, you just got these 2 screws here and here, so you just undo those. And then just like on that side, the speaker comes out.
And you can unclip the speaker just like any other normal clip. Just leverage this out, comes out like that, Simple clip holding that in. Boom. Right, if you take that off now, Arch, we've just unplugged these things. So now you can see everything. Wow. I think that's everything we've taken off. It's pretty cool. And there we go. That is the bulb out. So I won't be able to replace that today, but when we next go into town, I'll pick up a new one of these because that is trash. That is certified trash. There's one more here. I've been slacking. Have you done this? Right, so we've now taken off the side trim bits all the way around. So I think it's a case just trying to get this off, but I think we need some new tools from Halfords to be able to get these things off. So we have to go to Halfords and then come back and finish it. Okay, so we've been to Halfords and we've got the screws. So we've been unscrewing this. So now I can do it with my hand.
It was a T50 that was the
So now that's out. So oh my god, he's done it. Archie Hill has got the top board out.
It was really weird. It was supposedly there's supposed to be some like clips that hold it in place, but it was almost more like it had been stuck to it instead of properly clipped in. But it's out, so.
Just picked up these new windscreen wipers from Halfords, so it's really simple. That literally slots into there. Boom. That goes on there. I broke the fittings for this, so I'm just gonna have to brute force is gonna have to be the answer to this. Now, let's see if they work.
I'm pretty sure that's how the owner's manual said to do it. So.
Yeah, that's what they said online. Perfect. Thank you for watching, everyone. We're both really chuffed with how the bumper came out, especially it's our first time doing it.
Yeah, and it was good to get the roof liner out as well. So now we just need to get some new fabric and refit that, and also book an MOT so we can finally get it on the road. Stay tuned.
Thank you.